The candlestick confirmation strategy that works. Stop guessing entry. If you have undertaken a trade and immediately regretted it because the candlestick flip against you, this strategy will change everything about your trading. Today, I'm going to be showing you the candlestick confirmation strategy that works insanely well, and it will give you high profitability. Now, this filter out fake breakout instantly. Stay with me to the end of this video. The moment you master this, your entry will never be the same again. I am Mr. Joshua that help traders trade the smart way. Welcome back to my channel, and don't forget to watch this video to the end, because I'll be showing you some crazy things at the end of this video. Some crazy things that I use as regards candlestick at the end of this video. Don't miss anything. Now, if you trade forex, you trade synthetic, you trade crypto, you already know the pain of entry too early or too late. Why? Because most traders lose not because of direction, but because they don't wait for proper candlestick confirmation before they enter. Now, in this video, what I'll be showing you candlestick confirmation that really means a lot to me. And I will also be showing you the 3-step entry checklist that I use. I'll be also showing you how to avoid false signals, and I'll be showing you real example and how to use them in any time frame. Now, this is very simple, clean, and extremely effective. Let's go into it. Now, look at my screen. I'm trading Bitcoin, and I'm going for a buy, and I'm on profit already. I'm on $20 profit, because it's two position enter, and I'm having plus 10 plus 10, that's $20 profit. Now, this trade, I gave it as of day before yesterday, that's a day ago. And look at, we now on profit. Now, I use this particular strategy that I'm showing you for this particular trade. Now, first of all, what is candlestick confirmation? Candlestick confirmation means waiting for the market to show a true direction before you enter using the candlestick. Now, instead of predicting the move, you allow the candlestick to prove the direction for you. How can the candlestick prove direction? Number one, it proves direction through strong body closure. When there is a strong body closure, now let me use example here. When there is a strong body closure, is actually a proof of the direction of the market. Now, look at my screen quickly, everyone. Look at the screen. Let me show us some insane things here. Look at this particular candlestick. Look at this particular candlestick. Look at this particular. Now, these three particular candlestick that I do, they are strong body closure. They have strong body closure, which means they have less week of selling. They have less week. That means they are weak for selling. That's the tail for selling is minimal, is small. They don't have long week. You get it? Now, when the candle close above or below key level, is actually the second way we can actually prove the direction of a trend. And then clear rejection week. That means when it is having long week, like for example, this particular week is a long week. This particular week is a long week. You see, a long week. Now, that's a proof also of the direction of the market. Then we have momentum continuation pattern. That means the chart patterns that we see on the trade. Now, for example, now look at this particular one. Now you see divergence, and look at this. If you look at it well, it's a double top. It's a double top. Now that's a clear momentum continuation pattern. Now most traders lose because they jump in during the candlestick movement, not after the close of the candlestick. Now, for every trade, for you to be accurate, you need to wait for candlestick to close first. Once the candlestick close, that's when you should enter your trade, because the closure of the candlestick speaks a lot. It speaks a lot. Now, it is going to show you either it is a strong body closure or it's a close clear rejection week. It has clear rejection week, or it has momentum continuation pattern to move the market. Now, this strategy is for both professional traders and also for beginners traders. Now, this strategy forces you to trade like a professional, not like a beginner in the forex market. Now, what are the checklists of this strategy? This is the heart of this strategy, the direction confirmation. First, you need to identify market direction using market structure. If you notice, most of my video I usually talk about market structure very well. Why? Because market structure is very important. Now, I have a video on market structure. You can go ahead and watch the video on market structure. I will drop it on the description um, section of this video so that you can watch it. Market structure. Now, you can use three checklists. The first one is the market structure, trend line, and also key levels. Now, what are these key levels? Break of structure. We're talking about support level, resistance level, demand and supply. And those are levels. They are key levels. Sorry, please. Those are key levels. Now, you can use those key levels as your direction confirmation. You get it? You can use it as your direction confirmation. I have video on, I'm going to put the video, the three videos, market structure, trend lines, and also key levels. I'm going to drop it on the comment section, on the description section of this particular video. Check the description section. I'm putting it there. Now, direction must be clear. The direction must be what? Must be clear. Now, if the trend is up, you will actually look for bullish confirmation. If the direction is down, you look for what? Bearish confirmation. Now, when we talk about level confirmation, now price must react at a valid level. Price must react at a valid level, such as the level of support or resistance, or there is a break and a retest of zone, there is an order block, or there is a demand and supply. Now, if there is no level, you must not trade. You should not trade. The candles must interact with the meaningful level for you to enter a trade. The level must interact. There must be an interaction. There must be communication. There must be move between the levels and the candlesticks, because that is what makes this to be valid. Are we together? Now, that's what makes it to be valid. So now, what is the candlestick confirmation now? Now, this is actually the trigger candle. You only enter when the candle close showing strength. We are not here to lose our trade. We are here to gain trade. So you can only enter when the candlestick show what? Strength in the market. Now, for you to have a valid confirmation about this, of this candlestick, you must see a strong engulfing candle. You must see a strong engulfing candle. Now, candle that is bigger than the other with strength. You must see a pin bar rejection with a body in direction of the trend. For example, this particular candlestick here is a pin bar. Look at this particular candlestick. See, it's a pin bar rejection with a body that is in direction of the trend. Now look at the rejection and look at the body. The body is up in direction of what? The trend. So you should understand all these things. I have video on candlesticks also. You can watch it on the description section of this video. Now, you must check for break and close above key levels. There must be break and close above or below key levels. Then momentum candles with clean body. Momentum candle is the one that break the structure. Momentum candle, don't forget, is the one that what? Is the one that breaks the structure. Now, what are the invalid confirmation that most of us usually use and get stuck in the market? Number one is the small candlesticks, the small weak candlestick. Now, most time when you see small candlestick, they are proof of weakness in the market. Small candlesticks are proof of weakness in the market. You see, they are proof of weakness in the market. So don't enter when you see small candlestick. Now, when you see indecision candlesticks, now indecision candlesticks are candlesticks like the abandon, yes, abandon baby and the rest. Look at indecision candlesticks here. Now these are indecision candlesticks. You see that they don't have much body. Their body is very tiny. There is indecision in the market. The buyers and the sellers are having the same strength, so there is indecision in the market. So we also have weak candle without direction. We have weak candle without direction. That candles that have weak without what? Without direction. Oh, let me increase this. Sorry, I want you to see this and learn this. Now this particular candle here and here, yes, this particular candle, now you see it has weak candle without what? Without direction. Leave those kind of candlestick, forget about it, don't trade when you see such kind of thing. And then half body fake out. When you see half body fake out, you also leave them, don't trade them. Please remember, if the candlestick does not confirm momentum, skip the trade, don't enter, skip the trade. Now what is our entry techniques now in this particular strategy? What is our entry technique? Because there must be entry techniques, there must be entry techniques. What is now our entry techniques? The first is never enter while the candlestick is still forming. You have to wait for the closure. You have to wait for what? For the closure. Never you enter when the candlestick is still what? Is still forming. You have to wait for the closure of the candlestick. That's the number one. Wait for the closure. Now enter on the next candlestick after the closure. Enter on the next candlestick afterward. After the closure, the next candlestick provide a clean entry and a perfect reading for us. Then we need to also set stop loss beyond the confirmation candle. You need to set what? Stop loss beyond the confirmation candle. For buy below the wick and for sell above the wick. I take it again, for buy below the wick and for sell above the wick. Now our take profit level. Now use structure, that's high and low, for your what? For your take profit, and always go for 1:2 or 1:3 1:3 reward ratio. And you can keep using your trailing stop loss so that you be on profit. Now this strategy actually keep you smart and keep you safe from the market being against you. Now to avoid fake confirmation, make sure you see a strong candlestick body before you enter. It must break structure and reject strongly, show rejection strongly. Now volume must match the direction of the market. Volume must match. I've done a video on volume. I'll drop it also on the description side, so that you will also partake and benefit of this. Now this is just what I have for you for this particular video, because I really want us to see we are really making progress. We are really making progress. Now the candlestick confirmation strategy is all for us, is all for us. Now watch this video over and over and gain understanding, so that you will not lose out in any of your trade. I did this video because I know that it will be helpful. This is one of my strong confirmation strategy that I use to trade. If you find this video interesting, and if what I'm doing is actually helping you, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video such as this. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to see you comment confirmation on the comment section. Comment confirmation on the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Yes, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll be teaching something very powerful. It's called fair value gap strategy. I'm going to be teaching you. It's a smart money concept strategy that I'll be teaching you. It's called the fair value gap strategy. This strategy will change your trading forever. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. So don't forget, see you in the next video. Don't forget to share this video with traders such as you, so that they can also benefit from this kind of strategy. Have a great day. I remain Mr. Joshua, that teaches traders how to trade the smart way. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.